Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The People's National Party PNP said them a campaign for the local government election, although Prime Minister Andrew Holness said him not focus on election right now. One-time Education Minister Roel Reid left the principal work at Jamaica College. The police said them a look for 46-year-old Glenford Henry, who shot and killed him 16-year-old niece Sarika Pickard. The Sunshine Girls, they in England now for them 3-match test series will start next Sunday at the London Copper Box Arena. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. The People's National Party, PNP, said them a campaign for the local government election, although Prime Minister Andrew Holness said him not focus on election right now. By law, the election have to keep by February 2022, but the Prime Minister no said nothing yet. Mark Golding and some of the party member them did they in a Manchester and Clarendon Thursday gone, but Golding said him a go tour the 14 parish them. Him say them go in a region 5 2 time, but them a go in a region 4 next cause them a move round. One-time Education Minister Roel Reid left the principal work at Jamaica College. In 2016, the Ministry for Education did give Reid one special leave for go do his ministerial work. The leave did done on Saturday, so based on the contract, Reid could have go do back in principal work. But the board for Jamaica College put out something say them and Reid reach one agreement was say him for left the work on Saturday, November 28, 2021. The board say right now, them only want focus on the best interest of them student them and nothing else. The one-time Education Minister, day before the court now, face some charge for rob up some money at the Caribbean Maritime University. The police said them a look for 46-year-old Glenford Henry, who shot and killed him 16-year-old niece Sarika Pickard. According to the police, Henry is Sarika's grand-uncle and him get deep come back into the country what year. The police said them don't know what caused the killing yet. But when Henry did a try get where him shot somebody else and bust some shot off of some police officer. The police said them want Henry for kill somebody and for shot off of 3 people. The Christiana police said them lock up one 14-year-old boy for breaking a somebody house and for thief some things out of people house in a Cobbler district Christiana in Manchester. According to the police report, the little boy pop off the man back door 2 times and thief 80,000 out of one drawer. When him try breaking at the man house the 3rd time, the man hold on pan him and call the police. The police said them charge him after them ask him some question in front of him parent them and him liar. Him a go before the Poorest Children Court on Tuesday, December 7. Gunman shot and killed 2 men in the quiet rural community of Moorhall, Islington, St. Mary yesterday morning. The dead man them are 35-year-old Marvin Collins and 34-year-old Peter Finley. The 2 of them come from Waterford in a Portmore, St. Catherine. According to the report from the Portmore police, around 12:30 in the morning, Collins and Finley go in a one car what did having 4 other people. When the car go left Moorhall, 2 men come on the right side and bust some shot in the front seat and shot up Collins and Finley. The car end up run off of the road. The 2 men get shot in them head and upper part of them body. People rush to them go hospital where doctors say them dead. Now for sports. The Sunshine Girls they in England now for them 3-match test series will start next Sunday at the London Copper Box Arena. Most of the squad left the island Friday gone. The Sunshine Girls rank 4 in the world and then beat the Trinidad and Tobago man team what there. The Roses rank 3rd in the world and them call up 3 of them big player from them 2018 Commonwealth gold medal team. People, remember the curfew from 9 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.